Hi, I'm Emily Wyant, CEO of Bond Hair Bar, located right here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Today we're going to go through the whole entire salon makeover when we built this place from the ground up. When I came in here 2 years ago, this place looked like a dungeon. It was 30 years old and it was dark and gloomy. Get ready to be impressed and have some fun. Nestled into the beautiful Hillsborough Hills. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, this is where the signage goes. There's gonna be two signs, another piece of signage. Front door, and we're gonna be changing that. This is the entryway. I'm foreseeing low profile leather seats going along there. This is all coming out. This whole wall is going to be completely demolished. All of this stuff's coming out. This room is going to go, so this is no longer going to be here. This door is leaving. This is going to be this whole wall is coming out. And we're gonna go back into the hallway here. This is everything we're keeping. These are gonna go into the private rooms and then in my room probably. And then, so this is gonna get pushed back. This is coming out. These are coming out and going into the bathroom. This is where the washer and dryer goes. This is the bathroom, which needs a lot of love. This is going to be raised up about another 1.5 feet. In the area out here, there's gonna be a photo wall. I foresee seating along this window, and we're gonna have inset like art. That's all gonna be redone. But yeah, Bond Hair Bar in the making. Woo!